Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and we are doing another unboxing for you guys. And this is kind of a surprise unboxing for me. I just found these premium box sets at Walmart yesterday, and I actually skipped on them and went back today, and I was like, well, I'll go ahead and grab one and do an unboxing on it like I've done in the past. And this is one that was hard for me to buy. Some people may have not had any problem at all. This was maybe a hard pass. Wouldn't have been a hard pass for me, but I started looking at it. The drift truck is kind of cool. There's the Speedways, classic Hydroplane is what kills this set for me, followed by the Citroën H van. And the only thing saving this set, in my opinion, is the Toyota Stout Drift Truck and actually the Speedways. The Speedways is really cool with the Mooneyes livery. And this is what's going to sell this set, in my opinion, to a lot of people, is the Mooneyes livery. You Mooneyes collectors, this is probably going to be a must-have for you, even though the one is just a boat. And the transporter is not the most desirable transporter to some. To me, I think it's awesome. Actually, I like the Speedways that came with the 33 Willys that was black with flames. I sold mine because I didn't have any room for it, and I just really wanted the Willys from that set, but I thought it looked really cool and stuff. So anyways, flipping it around on the back of the box, they give you a art print of the vehicles. There's that Toyota Drift Truck. It's a little bit squarish. I don't know. It's just kind of weird looking in a way. And then the Citroën H van. I didn't like it when it was in the Walt Disney Pop Culture set last year or earlier this year. And then this setup here. Classic Hydroplane with the Speedways. Hydroplane I really could pass on. And the Speedways is pretty cool, though. In my opinion, this set should not have been as much as other premiums because you're not getting a premium car. You're getting a diecast boat, so it doesn't have real riders or anything. And I don't know, it just kind of defeats the purpose of these sets, in my opinion. But some people may disagree. So anyways, you got the end caps, Hotwheels premium each side. These box sets are hard to unbox in my little work area here, especially since I have this huge junkyard diorama now. So I've already cut the circle sticker, as you can see, the round part there, and we're just gonna pull it open here and slide everything out. And then it gives a little more room. The backdrop is kind of cool. It will look cool with some Mopars like sitting there and some pics, like picture opportunities I can see in the future. That's one reason I like doing unboxings on these guys. Even if I don't plan on keeping the set, I really do like the backgrounds that they have on some of them because of the picture opportunities you have. So anyways, the Citroën van and the Hydroplane are in their own little plastic blister dome. The Toyota Stout and the Speedways are not. But I think this is the first time I've ever seen two of them under blisters. But I could be wrong on that. And anyways, I'm going to try to get the Toyota off here with some scissors. Just cut those rubber bands and be done. Oh, there we go. So that's the one that I want to take a look at first. Set the set over to the side since we've already looked at everything. So this is a brand new casting. And cool wide body, bed floor is gone. You can see the independent rear end and such, some of the cage detail. And looking underneath, there's not much detail there. The wheels, I don't think they're a new wheel. TRD. It is a cool looking piece, especially if you're into drift racing and stuff. This is probably going to be a must-have for certain people's collections. So, not bad looking at all. Turek, something like that. So don't get it, don't care to get it. And it has the Mobile One pony with the wings on the side. I don't know if that's for Mobile One or not, or if that's for something else. But anyways, yeah, I'm not sure. And it's got the 411 as the number on the roof. I'm not sure if this is like modeled after someone's actual race truck. I'm not sure. I'm not that deep into drift racing. I'm just a Mopar guy, so it's kind of out of my realm. But it's a cool piece, new casting. And we're going to go ahead and cut the Speedways out next. So basically, yeah, I don't really do much except just pull the truck up and then try to snip those rubber bands. There we go. There we go. Got him loose. Now once again, we'll set that to the side. Now these are my two favorite pieces from this set. But I don't know, some people may disagree. The only thing I did not like about this casting is the bed does not slide back, but it is all metal. And part of the base of this is plastic. Actually, it's a very slender, long base, and it is plastic, the whole base. But the bed, fenders, cab, front fenders, all of that is metal. It's a very heavy little casting. And I like that setup actually better, like that. So, now I will do a spin around on this. So, you got your Mooneyes on the door. Go with moon on the side of the fender. Like those old classic curved door handles. Nothing in the back window. Sometimes they do. Like the black scallops to go around with the... go along, I should say, with the body line. You got overhead cab lights there. Just a nice classic 30s pickup truck look to it with the hauler on the back of it. The hauler bed, I should say. But nice looking, looks great with the chrome reverse, Steely style wheels. So let's get another one out here. And we'll go with the Hydroplane, since he's kind of the oddball. Actually, the two, in my opinion, are oddballs. Now, this may be a tad bit more complicated to get loose. I'm just going to cut the tab here and try to get it out like that. And see if I can just kind of cut that one tab and then... there we go. Yeah, it did work. I'll be darned. And now this does have a rubber band holding a brace on it, so it sits on the truck good. That's actually kind of cool. So that's a custom-made plastic brace to hold this on the bed of this pickup, or hauler, transporter, I should say. So yeah, pretty unique that they made the specific brace to set it there on the truck so it could haul it. Now, looking at this boat, I don't know, it looks like it's got some kind of V12 type engine in it. Your Mooneyes on each side. Mooneyes Racing Team, pretty cool. The eyes once again on the rear fin. Your little propeller. And it is all metal, metal base, metal body. It's kind of heavy. It is a pretty cool piece. I'm just not a boat guy. And with these sets, they're already high enough. They were high enough at $27.97 plus tax at Walmart. Now they're $29.97. They went up $2. So they're actually charging us $7.50 per vehicle, or $7.49 per vehicle if you want to get really technical about it, which is $1 more, almost $1 more than a premium single pack. So yeah, they're getting a little outrageous on these sets. So I don't even think I'm going to break even to get my money back on this. I just wanted to do the unboxing on it because it is a unique set. It had a new casting, and anything Mooneyes is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed it was a boat. I wish it was a dragster or something like that. So we got one guy left here, the Citroën van. And this is one that I was thinking about getting last year with the Mickey Mouse stuff, but I honestly just couldn't do it. This is going to be a tough one to get out of there too. Bear with me for a minute, guys. I'm trying to get him out of there. I think I don't know, it's ripping the box. Guys, give me 1 second. Use those ones for some eye candy there while I'm trying to get this out of there. This is really a pain in the ass. I don't know why they did this. I guess it's to stop theft. Maybe they've had some problems with people like stealing them and such. Yeah, it kind of messed up my box, but oh well. Now this has like your 10-spoke Watanabe style wheels on it, and this is our fault. I don't get it. Let's see here. Our fault. The future is our fault for some global thing going on there. Open back. You can see the engine in there. So I guess this is a drift van. Maybe, I guess. The way it looked, slammed on the ground. So maybe I'm once again out of touch with the drift racing, and that could be a drift truck, van. In my opinion, it's ugly, but that's me. It looks like, I don't know, a UPS, like a classic UPS truck or something like that, or a classic ice cream truck. I don't know what to call it. It just does not look very appealing to me, but there you have it. There's your new premium box set from Hot Wheels. So, not very great, but you get a new drift truck and you get some more Mooneyes cars if you're a Mooneyes person. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be back again tomorrow on Halloween for our orange and black special. The cars are all orange. Some have black accents to kind of help it even more feel like Halloween. They're all Mopars, and we did it in front of Mr. Norm's diorama, so it looks pretty cool. So be sure to tune in for that. We'll launch it first thing in the morning on Halloween. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your hump day, and I will see you again tomorrow.